Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have some Savannah accessories with me. Actually I buy from Savannah a lot, but in this month, okay, I thought of trying some accessories also from Savannah because I've never bought any accessory from Savannah. So let me show it to you all. None of the accessories has disappointed me except one. Okay, I'm going to show you all at the end कि कौन सा वाला accessories ने मुझे disappoint किया है. So this is the first one. This is a clip. Actually ये pack of 6 था. Okay, but I'm so clumsy at times कि मैंने सारा clips जो है वो खो दिया है. I just have two with me, okay, right now. So I'm going to show you all this one only. These are tiny clips, okay. ऐसे इसको ऐसे हम लगा सकते हैं, okay. You can थोड़ा सा like hair को थोड़ा सा clip करने के लिए you can wear it like this on both the sides, or you can wear it in one side also. So this is the clip, guys. It looks really nice. I think it will go with any outfit also. It really looks cute. That's why I bought it, okay. So let's talk about the next parcel that I have. So next parcel is a earring, okay. I'm so fond of earrings, so इसीलिए मैंने लिया है earrings. This is the earring. I think I've shown you this earring in my previous video also. It's really cute. It's really nice, and I'm so obsessed with this earring lately. So इसको ना ऐसे लगाते हैं. It just has two chains, दो ही chain है इसके पास, and इसको just पीछे से ऐसे लगाना है, and your earring is like this, okay. So it looks like this. Just एक दो layer है chain का. That's it, okay. And it looks so elegant, so dainty, so elegant. I'm just in love with this earring. Look at the earring, guys. I hope you like this one. The second earring is more like और अच्छा है second earring, and I'm wearing this earring since I think 2 weeks हो गया है. I think I dropped one. Okay, I got it. So clumsy, okay, so clumsy at times. So this is the earring that I'm talking about. It looks weird, okay. So इसको ना just ऐसे pin है. You just have to put the pin, and पीछे एक page है, okay. You just have to put that. So let me put and show it to you all. It's like this, okay. Look at the earring, guys. It looks like this. It's very pretty. It's very elegant also. You can pair it with any outfit, okay. दोनों side लगाएंगे. It will look really nice. Next is a scarf, guys. I just love scarves, okay. So पहले मैं बहुत लगाती थी scarves को, but अभी इतना मैं नहीं लगाती हूँ, okay. I don't pair it with my outfits. Let me show you all कि कैसे लगाते हैं इसको. So you can tie it in your neck also with any outfit like this, okay. So इसको थोड़ा सा ऐसे cover करके neck में you can tie it like this, like beach type, okay. Like beach type में अगर हम जा रहे हैं तो you can wear it like this. There are many options you can go with, okay. You can tie it as a hair band also. Let me show you all. So you can tie it like this also. इसको और अच्छे से I haven't tied it. पीछे मैंने tied नहीं किया है, okay. So you can tie it like this, like a hairband. If you have a long hair, it will look really nice like this also. One more option is there. This is the another option that I was talking about. You can tie it like this, like a bandana, okay. It really looks cool, okay. ऐसे पीछे से ऐसे लगेगा, and you just have to tie it, okay, properly because it's slippery. This is silk material, so थोड़ा अच्छे से tie करना पड़ेगा. So that's it. These are the 3 looks of my bandana. And apart from this, the product that I was talking about, जिसने मुझे बहुत disappoint किया है, I'm going to show you all. It's this one, okay. It's a bracelet. It was really nice, but the moment I tried it, okay, it broke, okay. The moment I tried, okay, इसको हाथ में लगाने के बाद ही like इसको ना it is adjustable actually, क्योंकि ये इतना छोटा है ना, इसको adjust करना पड़ता है, थोड़ा ऐसे बड़ा करके इसको लगाना पड़ता है. But when I tried to adjust it, when I tried to make it bigger, it broke, okay. Literally it broke. So please don't buy this one. It's so aesthetic. It was so cute. Look at the rose there, okay. But I couldn't wear it. So sad, okay. So these are the products, guys, that I have bought from Savannah. If you like any of the product, then comment down below. I can provide you all the link also. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you all are doing good also. Take care. Bye.